You all, transaction number 2. $6.50 from the Dollar General rebates has just now been loaded. So we're about to go in here and cash out. And also, there's also a rebate. There's not going to be a rebate on the Dollar General app, but on the shopping app, there's a $3 rebate. And I'm feeling greedy. Let's go. It's getting hot out here. All right, this deal here is going to be tissue and paper towel. Tissue and paper towel. So, let's go. And you don't need a referral code to sign up for rebates. No, no, no. Y'all, these are, oh my God, where are, these are good. I'm just going to go ahead and get all them. It's not going to be part of the deal, but they're good. Don't mind me. Okay, sorry. So, we're going to get some Scott. The big pack here. Hold tight. That's the first item. We got 2 more to get. The next one is this Carnell here. You know, either one. Don't matter. But yeah, get you one. And the next one is going to be this Scott tissue here, which is $5. There's a $1 digital coupon on the Dollar General app and also on the shopping app. So on the shopping app, you're going to get $3 back. So this is what our cart's looking like. Mind you, this is the second transaction. So in order to get the rebate, please be sure to watch the first transaction. And that's how I got the $6, $6.50. And we're going to get this deal here with this. So see you at the register. All right, y'all. We got one more transaction after this, but I want to make sure the funds are available. So yeah, mind you, shopping rebates arrive in like 2 to 3 days. So no biggie with that. But Dollar General, it comes right on time. Right on time. And we finna cash out right about now. Y'all, 9. Y'all, we're back in the car, and of course I saved $3. My subtotal was $14.35. I had a $6.50 rebate from the first video, so I made my total $9.06. And I'm about to scan my receipt for the shopism and get $3 back. So this $6, so $2 per pack. Yeah, keep rolling. Keep in mind, this is deal number 2. 1 more to go. Let's go.